Hi, my name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. In this edition of Tech Talk, we're going to talk about the HP EliteBook 635 AERO G11. This is a cool product. Let's get it open and see how we go. Nice little stick. Or even recycled cardboard in the sticky. All recycled packaging, look at that. Power supply, just your standard USB-C, and I think this is 65 watt, yep. Get rid of all that, we don't need it. Here we go. This is really good for a mobile user, someone who wants something a little bit lightweight, not too heavy. Really, really cool. It's got your new Copilot button. This is the latest AMD processor in the machine. Let's go into some tech specs. The new HP 635 AERO G11 is running the latest generation of AMD processors, starting at the Ryzen 5 8640U right up to the Ryzen 7 8840HS processor. These are super powerful with 32 gig of RAM soldered on the motherboard, not upgradable unfortunately, up to 1 terabyte of NVMe Gen 4 storage with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. We've got a couple of Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 ports, USB-C ports, USB 3 ports, HDMI port. We've got more ports than you need. We've even got 13.3 inch screen with 2560 by 1600 resolution or 1920 by 1200 resolution. These are both 400 nits. We've got the Copilot button built in. We've got all the smarts built in. We've got poly audio built into this. So if you're using poly audio headsets, the dongle is built into the device. That's going to give you a great connection and great usability. With the latest AMD Ryzen processors, you get great battery life. Some say, and some reports say, even better than Intel equivalents. Long battery life's key when you're out on the road. This is a great device for those users that are mobile. The only negative point is we don't have embedded 4G. But with the weight factor under 1 kilo at 0.99 of a kilo, this is super light and super mobile. If you want to get your hands on one of these, like I do, you can contact us at Blue Connections and someone would be only too happy to assist. My name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. I'll see you next time on Tech Talk. Thank you, bye for now.